Hello and welcome back to my channel. The last two videos that I uploaded for English language were sentences and its types and letter and its types plus its format. Today's video is about parts of speech, which is another important topic in English language. This video today is intended for the students of classes 6 to 10th. All the students from classes 6 to 10th can see this video and clear all your doubts related to parts of speech. So in order to understand what English language is, words are placed in different classes or categories which are known as parts of speech.
There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections.
We have already read about all these parts of speech in lower classes. Now we shall study them in detail. However, it is important to understand one thing right in the beginning. A word may not always belong to a same class. It is wrong to say that a word is a noun, an adjective, or a verb. A word may be used as a noun in one sentence and as an adjective in another one. The usage of a word depends upon the work that it does in that particular sentence. Let us have some examples.
Have a look at all the 4 sentences given below. My father patted me on the back. We left the house from the back door. The contractor backed out of the agreement. The servant came back immediately. In all these 4 sentences, we find one word which has been used differently in all the 4 sentences, and that is back. In the first sentence, it has been used as a noun. In the second sentence, it has been used as an adjective. In the third sentence, it has been used as a verb. And in the fourth sentence, it has been used as an adverb. This means that to classify a particular word to any part of speech is wrong. A single word, for example, back, has been used in all these 4 sentences in a different manner. So, the class to which a word belongs to depends upon the work that it does in a particular sentence.
With this, I end this video. I mainly made this video to start the parts of speech. In the next video, I'll teach you what a noun is and its types. In the coming videos, I'll explain all the parts of speech. So, I request all of you to keep an update on the videos and watch it regularly.